is the crack, guys? It's your boy Dat. Oh shit.
Well done.
What is the crack, guys? It's your boy. What is the crack, guys? It's your boy Dat Away, and today we're doing the burping challenge. We got our Coke, Vive Cola out of
Aldi.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was.
55¢. Great offer.
Great offer. And we got our little croissants. Just in case anything happens.
French chocolate chip, why not? Brushy
rolls.
I can't pronounce it though.
But anyway, shout out to Aldi. You all send us free things now. So the aim of the game is to who can burp the loudest and who can go the longest, and yeah, I'm gonna win obviously. Who wants to go first?
Your channel.
My channel.
It's only fair you go first.
Yeah. Everyone go check out Coppercoin TV in the description below. That's where his link will be, so go subscribe and buy a bottle of Coke, right? So I'm gonna go first, right?
Oh, for fuck's sake, man. I know I'm gonna laugh too much.
Right. Wait. He sounds like a dinosaur.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
Oh man, my eyes are all
I can feel my Sunday dinner coming back up.
No, we just do it at the same time, just keep going.
Let's go. Hey, pretty!
I'm gonna get you.
That was dirty. I can smell your perfume there.
Come on.
Oh, that was smelly. Don't burp in my face
I
again.
think it's deciding to come out the other end as well. I think so. What the fuck?
He farted.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh man.
Air! Now, time for a roll break. Go.
Oh man, they're gonna puke their ring off.
This is gonna make us burp even better, right? One bite of the roll and drink, right? Right, get the Coke ready?
Oh man, my stomach's not able.
Yeah, my stomach's sore as well, right? 3,
Man, we're gonna get bad old cramps.
2.
Going on with.
Right, eat it, swallow, drink Coke straight away. Give us the biggest burp, right? Get all that, right?
Oh my god.
I can feel my stomach, right?
Yeah.
Go.
Everyone can. Man, I'm actually gonna get sick.
I feel sick as well. Go.
Oh no, man, I'm not able.
Come on. Fuck, what the fuck?
Holy shit! That nearly went all over the laptop.
My stomach.
Like, come on, let's go.
My carpet is pissing on my carpet.
Are you done?
I smell of Coke in here.
Are you done?
No.
Oh fuck! Thought I won. Oh, look at that. Ew. My mind's not even fizzy anymore.
Right, now I'm gonna get sick.
Do I win?
Oh, I can feel sick coming up my throat.
Do I win? Don't look at me! Boys.
Oh no, my stomach, man, is sore. No, that's not even funny.
I don't think I can burp anymore.
Either can I.
Oh man, I think. Are you done?
Nobody try this at home.
Oh
You think this is harmless, but it's actually not.
Oh
like my stomach is actually in bits, and I have to go and eat dinner after this.
And I don't even want to eat them fucking notes anymore.
Trying to do me for my
Oh
dinner.
man, my stomach, what the fuck?
My stomach is actually so sore.
Oh, you keep going. You go.
No.
Oh my god. This actually isn't easy.
No, I thought it was.
So I.
Hello.
Are you done?
Oh.
We done?
What?
We done?
No.
Hey, bless him.
Oh, wait.
And how can you keep drinking that?
Hello.
Oh shit, don't tell me you're getting sick.
Oh. I got a small bit sick. Do not try that at home. Just please don't try that. Sorry about that, guys. Got a bit sick there, and just dude.
I think I won.
Just don't do that again, guys.
I
Because
think I won because I didn't get sick. I don't, man. We have hiccups as well, probably. Oh, he's getting sick. Oh my god, that is minging.
oh, to get sick again. I can feel the sick. No. Oh, help me.
Man, I can't do much help. Oh, that come out your nose.
Yeah.
Ew. What the fuck?
So guys, whoever you think that won, comment below. I have a small bit gone than Reese. Reese has I've about that much more than Reese gone, but that it's you decide.
No, he's that much
Yeah.
less than mine.
My eyes are watering. I'm after getting sick twice, but yeah.
My stomach's in bits.
No, guys, do not even try this at home.
I thought it
because
wasn't going to be that bad, but my stomach's bloating and everything.
Look, like this is actually that is dangerous. I thought it was going to be dangerous, like.
I thought we were only going to be burping.
That's what I thought, but no, and I'm gonna fart.
I told you.
But guys, thanks for watching. That's from me today and from him. So go check out his channel. The link is in the description below. And yeah, please subscribe to his channel. Please subscribe to me. Leave a like on the video, and we will see you in the next one.
Peace.